Use a T20 bit to remove the 6 screws securing the rear cover. Use a T20 bit to remove the 6 screws securing the service cover. Unplug the 3 connectors located beneath the service cover and then remove the cover. Use a T20 bit to remove the 8 screws and 2 fixing blocks securing the handle assembly. Replace it with a new handle assembly and tighten with the 8 screws. Install the service cover and plug in the 3 connectors. Route all the wires in the wire traps. Tighten the service cover with the 6 screws. Tighten the rear cover with 6 screws. Follow the previous steps to remove the rear cover and service cover. Remove the internal bus wire assembly from the hole on the right decorative cover. Use a T20 bit to remove the 12 screws securing the switch box. Use a T20 bit to remove the 8 screws securing the right cover assembly. Cut the zip tie on the switch PCBA. Remove the white compound on the plug from the main wire harness. Unplug the 2 connectors on the main switch, then remove the internal bus wire assembly. Replace it with a new internal bus wire assembly and plug the 2 connectors on the switch PCBA. Secure the main PCBA with the zip tie and seal the white connector with waterproofing compound. Secure the right cover assembly with 8 screws. Secure the switch box with 12 screws. Secure the service cover and rear cover with 12 screws. Follow the previous steps to remove the switch box. Unplug the 2 black connectors and then remove the top handle. Replace it with a new top handle and plug in the 2 black connectors. Secure the switch box with 12 screws.